Imagine a world where fat becomes your friend, not your foe. This is the premise of the ketogenic diet, or keto for short. Instead of relying on carbohydrates for energy, your body enters a state of ketosis. In ketosis, fat takes center stage. The liver transforms fat into ketones, alternative fuel sources. It's like switching from gasoline to electricity, but for your metabolism. This high-fat, low-carb approach challenges conventional dietary wisdom. We've been told for decades to fear fat. Keto turns that on its head. But is this radical shift right for everyone? Let's delve deeper into the science and stories behind keto. Ketosis isn't a new fad, it's a natural metabolic process. When glucose from carbs is scarce, the body turns to stored fat for energy. This shift doesn't happen overnight. It takes a few days of drastically reducing carbs for the body to enter ketosis. Once in ketosis, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. Ketones, produced by the liver, fuel your brain and muscles. This metabolic switch has profound effects. It can lead to weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and even increased energy levels. But ketosis isn't a magic bullet. It comes with its own set of challenges and considerations. The allure of keto lies in its potential benefits. Weight loss is often the primary motivator. Burning fat for fuel can lead to significant shedding of pounds, but keto's benefits extend beyond the scale. Many report improved blood sugar control, particularly those with type 2 diabetes. Reduced inflammation is another perk. By lowering carbohydrate intake, keto can help dampen inflammation throughout the body. Some experience increased energy levels and mental clarity, attributing it to the steady fuel supply provided by ketones. While these benefits are encouraging, it's essential to remember that individual responses to keto can vary. Section 4. Keto's shadow drawbacks and who should steer clear. Despite its potential, keto isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It has drawbacks and may not be suitable for everyone. The initial transition can be rough. The keto flu, with flu-like symptoms, is common as the body adapts to burning fat. Long-term adherence can be challenging. The restrictive nature of keto can lead to nutrient deficiencies if not carefully managed. Certain individuals should avoid keto altogether. Those with pancreatic issues, liver disease, or gallbladder problems may experience adverse effects. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on the keto journey to assess its suitability for your individual circumstances. Section 5. Real people, real stories, keto experiences. The internet is abuzz with keto success stories. Sarah, a 35-year-old mother of 2, lost 50 pounds and reversed her prediabetes on keto. John, a 40-year-old athlete, found that keto boosted his energy levels and improved his endurance during marathons. However, not all experiences are positive. Maria, a 28-year-old with a history of disordered eating, found keto's restrictiveness triggering. David, a 50-year-old with high cholesterol, experienced a concerning increase in his LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, on keto. These real-life experiences highlight the importance of personalized approaches. What works wonders for one person may not be suitable for another. Section 6. The Keto Question, is it right for you? The ketogenic diet, with its high-fat, low-carb approach, presents a unique metabolic puzzle. It holds promise for weight loss, blood sugar control, and more. Yet keto's potential benefits are intertwined with potential drawbacks. Individual experiences vary widely, influenced by factors like genetics, health conditions, and lifestyle. The decision to embrace keto is deeply personal. It requires careful consideration, thorough research, and guidance from healthcare professionals. So, as you stand at the crossroads of dietary choices, the question remains, is the ketogenic diet the right path for you? Like and subscribe to Healthy Habit Explorers for more great tips.